Tragic day in Ventura County. I'm sure you guys heard the Thousand Oaks tragedy. Ventura County is basically hit with the fires. So I guess in the area where we live, because the winds are so strong, we might have to evacuate. I guess they're already evacuating people in our area because around us, I mean, you guys saw from the vlogs, like we live in a lot of like hill areas, which is all brush, and the winds are not letting down. Oh my god, you guys, that is like so super close. This is like a couple streets down from our house. Oh my god, that is so close to where we are. It's a voluntary evacuation, but we saw it earlier. It's like a few streets down behind the hills, because where we live behind the hills, like we have hiked up there before, all brush, all greenery, so it's yeah, it's scary. So we are just packing up whatever valuables, important things, and we're not gonna leave though unless, you know, we have to. There, it's right there, it's red. We have to go. Alright guys, so we evacuated the house. Like, it wasn't, my husband is still there, but he said it's not looking good. So red, it's like really red. I'm just praying, you know, that everything will be okay. It's just a house and it's material things which can always be replaced, but still, you know, it's our home. We've been there for so long, and I don't even know. I don't know. When I saw that video that my husband just sent me, it just got so real. There's more fires back there. It's everywhere. It's still lit.
This is something new.
Jonathan, turn around.
Oh, giant.
Oh my god. Jonathan. Should we call? There's a fire like right over there on that side. It's still all over the place. Kind of just driving around and checking out where the fire, yeah, that is still burning. Spread so quickly. So right now I think it's in Malibu, Calabasas, Malibu, Westlake Village.
Nobody's still safe.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's true. Nobody's still safe. Hills right up here, they were on fire. All around here, that's where it all burned. It all burned all around, even all the way down. As you guys saw last night, it was really burning. Unfortunately, this neighbor of ours right here, oh my gosh. Yeah, that is so sad. Right there, you guys can see it. Their house it's burned. So the only thing really left here is just their garage, but everything in the back, it's gone. We're home now. Luckily one of the grocery stores was open, but it's just scary because now the fire, Calabasas, Hidden Hills, Malibu, it's in Westlake Village. I don't know about Simi Valley. Do you know if it's in Simi Valley? Simi Valley, it's all over, and there are so many little small fires that are just sparked by embers. To everybody who texted, DM, who called, just wanted to say thank you guys so much for checking up on us. We are okay, so we're here. We're gonna be here at home, but we're just gonna be you know, we're just gonna make sure that we're alert and know what's going on. Everyone stay safe out there. The firefighters, they are amazing. They're doing such a wonderful job. The law enforcement's out there to the firefighters because they are just really working so super hard on this. The vlog here. Stay safe, you guys, and thank you so much for watching.